Hi friends, my name is Mr. Jake. Today, let's learn how to make the letter I in sign language. Here we go. This is how you make an I, make an I, make an I. This is how you make an I in sign language. Very good, friends. We did it. We learned how to make the letter I in sign language. Now that we've done that, I think it's time to see what's hiding inside of our mystery box today. I bet there's some really interesting things in there. Let's figure out what they are. Here we go. I feel something. It's kind of cold. It's an ice cream cone. Vanilla, that's my favorite flavor. I wonder what's next. There's something else. It's kind of crawling on me. It's an insect. I think there should be one more thing hiding inside of our mystery box. I wonder what it could be. Let's figure it out. I found it. It's an iguana. Ice cream. Insect. And iguana all start with the letter I. Now, let's watch a video on iguanas. Iguanas are reptiles that belong to a large family of lizards. They are often seen sunning themselves on branches overhanging water. Most iguanas are green. They have unusual saw-like teeth and a scaly back and a fold of skin under their neck. Common iguanas grow up to be 6.5 feet long. Iguanas eat leaves, fruits, insects, small mammals, and birds. The marine iguana of the Galapagos Islands eats seaweed. Most types of iguana live in the Americas. The best known kind of iguana is the green iguana, which is found in Mexico and south all the way to Brazil. Although most iguanas like dry habitats, some live in the rainforests. Thank you for learning how to sign the letter I with me and finding all these interesting things inside of our mystery box. I'll see you again next time.